Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. It is Denver, the Mindset Diplomat, coming to you live and direct from Mind Management Academy and Find Your Page HQ. And I'm sending you health, wealth, love, happiness, peace, light, and healing. And I'm excited to share with you guys today Time Compass, because the whole purpose of this is for you guys to have a better understanding of where your time is actually going. How are you choosing to show up to the very thing that is the most God-given asset on planet Earth? Your time. This is going to be the Time Compass formula. I need you to remember this. This is going to be T times DOTW equals AA. T is the time that it takes to do said activity times days of the week. This equates to your activity average, which is the amount of time said activity takes to do. For example, 8 hours a day is the time times 5 days a week, which is DOTW, equals a 40-hour work week. That's your activity average. Remember this formula. It is very simple to remember. T times DOTW equals AA. Next here, this is going to be a blink version of Time Compass. I'm going to be putting a link in the comments below for you guys to be able to connect with this. And if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot, and for me to be able to create more incredible videos like this and provide you immense value, because this is what I love doing, and this is what allows you to change your life. So drop a comment, drop a subscription, and tap that notification bell to get notified when I release new videos. And so I'm going to be putting a link in the comments to this below to where you can fill this out and understand for yourself where your mandatory time is going, where your miscellaneous time is going, where your mystery time is going, and where your growth time is going. I'm so happy to have shared this with you. Thank you guys so much for your time. I appreciate you. I love you. And please take care of yourself and continue to be abundant. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to share this with you. Love yourself, love more, and thank you so much for allowing me to be present in your life to share this life-changing method, which is called the 168-hour method inside the Time Compass. Thanks so much. I'll catch you guys on the other side. It is the Mindset Diplomat, over and out. Peace.